How to fix Snapchat camera problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix the camera problem easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you wanna do is wait a few seconds, and after that you have to scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on it, click on this force stop, and then click here on the permissions. Make sure to enable the camera permission and also all the permissions, and then go to the storage, click on clear data, and click on delete. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.